Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ender blocks. To begin, you'll need to gather specific materials. Ender blocks are incredibly useful for crafting ender chests, which allow you to access your inventory from anywhere. The main components are 8 obsidian blocks and 1 Eye of Ender. We'll go through each step, from collecting raw materials to the final crafting process, ensuring you can easily create these valuable items in your world. First, let's gather the necessary materials. Obsidian is formed when water flows over lava. You'll need 8 blocks. Remember to use a diamond or netherite pickaxe to mine it, as other tools won't work. Next, you'll need an Eye of Ender. This requires an ender pearl, which endermen drop and blaze powder, obtained from blazes in the nether. Now, let's focus on crafting the Eye of Ender. You'll need blaze powder, which is made from blaze rods. Blazes, found in nether fortresses, drop these rods. Once you have a blaze rod, place it in your crafting grid to get 2 blaze powder. Combine 1 ender pearl with 1 blaze powder in any crafting grid to create your Eye of Ender. Finally, it's time to craft your ender block. Open your crafting table. Arrange the 8 obsidian blocks in all the outer slots of the 3x3 crafting grid, leaving the very center empty. Then, place your single Eye of Ender directly into that central slot. The ender block will then appear in the result slot, ready for you to collect and use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.